basically from Chennai, India. I've done master's degree from University of Manchester, UK. Right guys, from my childhood, I had a great passion for acting and script writing. A fire was there inside me to be an actor and a script writer. Then I was imagining what stories I have to put to be a film writer. It's not the same mix of masala, same thing, same concepts. I thought to do something different to the world. From the world, by seeing this, they have to what? Learning from the moral of the story, they have to change. Like that, I want to do a film writing. I'll speak about my film writing towards the end of this meeting. But for now, I had a passion for script, acting and film writing. It was this passion which made me to do a lot of stage plays in school, college, universities and the place, the colony where I resided in Chennai. Okay, it was this passion which I decided actually to pursue a career in film acting and script writing. But due to unavoidable circumstances, I have to choose a different career path. But you know, there's a proverb, better late than never. I repeat, better late than never. I've been trying for acting and script writing for years and years, for decades, not just in one country, a number of countries like UK, India, Canada, I've been trying. But I did not click. Couple of years back, I traveled to Canada on a work assignment. Parallel to my job, you know what I did? I did acting school. I went to a famous acting school and I learned all the fundamentals of acting. So after I completed my course in acting school, I got an advert for an audition for a feature film in Canada. I recapitulated all my skills, prepared well, not 100%, 200% confidence. I went and attended the audition. To my surprise, I got selected. Wow! Oh my God! I thought I was flying in the sky. Okay. After 2 weeks of the audition, the shooting took place. I did to the best of my expectations. I've learned acting from the acting school, and I've learned acting, script writing, and directing from the film. The film name is Within Circles. It was filmed in Canada, and it was released in film festival in US and Canada. Well, now I need to have hats off to some people. Hats off to my director, producer and scriptwriter Philip Wilson of my first Canadian film Within Circles. I will convey special thanks to the entire team. Okay, I also want to give some special thanks to the Canadian film actress Liana Shannon. She was a teacher for my acting in my acting school. The name of the acting school is Citadel, C-I-T-A-D-E-L, Citadel Theatre, which is located in Edmonton, Canada. I also attended a Success Life acting workshop. Story writer, film director and producer Barry J. Gillis of Canadian Films, he was my teacher. Hats off to you as well. Okay, why I am mentioning these people? Because of those people I'm here in front of this media, in front of this meeting. But for them, I would not have been recognized. So thanks once again. Right, apart from acting, I'm also doing a film writing. As I mentioned in the beginning, I want to do a film where people can learn from it, people can improve. The world is polluted by what? Crime, corruption, robbery, murder, terrorism, sex abuse, racial attack, and etc. So many. All evil acts. All these evil acts will be eliminated by God. Kalki Avatar, Prema Sai Baba, and all God in the universe will unite together to heal the world. Heal the world to stay for a better place to stay. Seeing this story, everyone should improve. Everyone will be changing their attitude, changing their mind to be a good person. Good person in heart, good in attitude, good person. So that's my film. The film name is Stars on Rebuilt Earth. This is going to be taken in English, Hindi and Tamil. In English it's going to be Stars on Rebuilt Earth. Hindi, Punarnirman Zameen. Punarnirman Zameen in Hindi. and in Tamil it's going to be Putham Pudhiya Bhoomi. English, Hindi and Tamil I'm going to take simultaneously. Right, now you may be thinking I've done a Canadian film. Now my next project is going to be Hollywood movie. Next my project will be a Hollywood movie. The details of the movie will be revealed soon, but it is going to be shot in India. That's all I can say. In India, it's a Hollywood movie. Next. And my ambition is, right now I want to do extensively, because I know Hindi as well. I've studied Hindi in school. I want to do acting in Bollywood and Hollywood. Bollywood movie and Hollywood movie I want to do simultaneously, extensively, until I plan to go overseas. I'm planning to go overseas again. Country not yet decided, maybe US, maybe Canada, maybe UK, depends where I can shine. Until I go there, I'm planning to work in Indian films, particularly Bollywood and Hollywood. Thanks for your time. I want to mention some special things. My YouTube website, www.youtube.com/PrashManUnitedChamp. PRASHMAN United UNITED Prash Man United Champ. www.youtube.com/PrashManUnitedChamp, where you can see all the updates, all the videos of me. And next you can see me on IMDb. I have a credit in IMDb with Within Circles, and more credits will be there. My IMDb site is www.imdb.me/prash.com. I repeat, www.imdb.me/prash.com. You can also see me on Wikipedia, Facebook page, Prash Facebook page, Twitter, everything. Guys, I'm here because of you. I need your support and guidance. Please follow me on Facebook. Please follow me on Twitter and all social networking sites. Please like my videos. Please mention comments. In case you don't like, please mention comments so that I can improve. If you are not there, I'm not there. We are making movie for you, not for us. So we are making movie for you, so you have to like it. If you don't like it, give comments. So please follow me on Twitter, Facebook and all social network sites. Please like, please comment and make comments, and I need your support and guidance throughout my film career in acting as well as script writing. Okay?